Over the past 10,000 years and even more so since agriculture began, crops have developed a lot of diversity. We depend on farmers for our food, but growing crops and varieties well adapted to the specific conditions on the farm increases a farmer's chances of success.
Crop diversity is the foundation of our agriculture, yet it is disappearing in many ecosystems.
Fortunately, the Genetic Resources Research Institute, GeRRI, Kenya's National Genebank, is one of the semi-autonomous institutes under KALRO. Currently, GeRRI safeguards over 50,000 samples belonging to about 1,800 plant species, both wild and cultivated. We conserve this diversity in cold rooms as seeds. We share it with, for example, plant breeders who want to help crops adapt to harsher conditions and new demands, scientists who study their nutritional content and other important attributes, and farmers who are looking to grow different varieties in their fields, whether from another place or from their grandparents' time. Let me give you an example. Pigeon pea is an important crop for food security in Kenya. But the faster growing varieties available in our country have small pods and grains, which makes shelling them difficult. The National Bank supplied 3 large grained varieties to the pigeon pea breeding program of KALRO at Katumani. The breeders there can now try to combine faster growth with larger seeds. Crops such as pigeon pea, sorghum, millets and cowpeas are able to withstand drought, thereby sustaining poor rural communities during challenging times. We do not know what trait found in a specific seed will help our farmers 5, 50 or 500 years from now. To ensure this, our day-to-day job is to make sure all this diversity remains alive and available forever. Every task must be carried out diligently to the highest quality standards, from multiplying seed stocks that are low in quantity or losing viability to preparing shipments of seeds destined for users.
Some crop varieties can no longer be found in farmers' fields. Wild diversity is disappearing in natural spaces too. If a gene bank fails, for whatever reason, humanity will lose forever the traits housed in that specific variety.
Fortunately, we have a remarkable team of committed researchers, technicians and field workers, and the equipment and supplies we need. In case anything happens to our gene bank, we back up safety duplicates of our collection in other locations. Our job is never ending. The more we know about the diversity we hold, the better the chances of it being used, and we want more people to use it. Kenya is a signatory to the Food and Agriculture Organization's Plant Treaty. We collaborate with international organizations, exchange knowledge and experience with universities, farmer cooperatives, and other gene banks. We invite farmers to evaluate gene bank materials in their fields and ours. Safeguarding and making available crop diversity is crucial for our survival. It needs to be valued accordingly. Our gene bank requires the latest technology and long-term stable funding. Sadly, this is a continuous challenge for gene banks around the world, ours included. With the additional support provided by the Crop Trust Seeds for Resilience project, we are making progress in raising our quality standards on all fronts. You may not hear much about us in the news, but our collections of crop diversities are invaluable.
We are honored to say that we maintain the foundation of our Kenyan agriculture safe and available for everybody.
Crop diversity is the foundation of our life, our present and future food security.